One of the most important things to do when taking a photograph is to focus the camera, which means adjusting the position of the lens with respect to the sensor in a static camera or a video camera like the one that we're using right now. Another really important one is to select the depth of field, which depends on which aperture you're using, which iris aperture or which f number, which measures how open the aperture is. I remind you that the f number is the focal length divided by the diameter of the lens being used, meaning the diameter of the aperture. So if we now go to a large depth of field for this particular video camera, that would be an f number of 10, you can see that an apple in the foreground, me in the middle ground, and the apple tree in the background are all in very good focus. If instead we change the iris aperture to the smallest number, the smallest f number that this particular video camera enables, and that would be an f number of 2, then we can only have one thing at a time in focus, not all three, either the foreground apple at 0.1 meter distance from the lens, or pupa at 1 meter distance from the lens, or the apple tree at 10 meter distance from the lens. But the depth of field is shallow now, so you can't have all three of us in focus at once. This could be a desirable or undesirable effect, depending on the photo you want to take. This isn't just any apple tree that you're looking at here. It's actually the Newton apple tree, or rather a cut from the original Isaac Newton apple tree. That's the apple tree from which the apple fell that inspired, allegedly, Isaac Newton to come up with the theory of gravitation. Very cool that we have it here at UW-Madison, right on campus, right behind the physics building. And we are very, very happy with that.